Hi you guys, to start off our salad Shirazi recipe here, you want to have tomatoes and cucumbers. No matter if you're making a big, huge batch of this or a small batch of this, you want to have equal amounts of tomato and cucumber. The next important thing is what kind of tomatoes and cucumbers you use. The most tasteful, the better. So for the tomatoes, we're using Roma tomatoes here. These are all kind of small, which is why, like cherry tomatoes. Yeah, they taste pretty good. So that's why we have 8 of them and 5 of the cucumbers. You don't have to have equal of like each one. The point is that we want to have an equal mass amount of each one cut up in the salad. And for the cucumbers, Persian cucumbers. I mean, there's really no other way. If you're wondering when you ever had it at a restaurant, what they're using Persian cucumbers, not those big, huge cucumbers with a really thick skin. So you want to use Persian cucumbers if you have it, and if not, just peel your cucumbers if it has a thick skin. We just want to dice these before we add any of the onion. We have a lovely chopping mechanism here that we're going to use to make this go a lot faster. This is just from making salad Shirazi and things like this over the years. So if you don't have this, it's not a problem. Just do it by hand. And we're just cut the ends off of our cucumber, and we're just going to slice it. This is also up to you. It depends on the thickness that you want. We're slicing it into 3. That's what we usually do, right? And then you just have to, if you're using a chopper like we are, cut it down the middle so it'll fit here. That's what you want. And for our tomatoes, similar slicing that we did. And just to show you really quickly, if you're not using some kind of a mechanism, then just, cut it like how you would normally do it into whatever sizes you like, and then just add that to your bowl. Okay, so we're gonna use this chopper here just to show you. See, that's a lot faster. That's why we use this. So you just want to chop all of your tomatoes and cucumbers up. Get these guys off of Amazon, Walmart might carry it. They're all different kinds of brands. Whatever you can get is good. This has gotten full, so we're gonna go ahead and empty this out in our bowl.
Oh, that looks so good with the bowl.
Lastly, we're going to add in our fresh onion. So for all of the tomatoes and cucumbers that we put in there, we're using about 1/4 of a large onion. This is also preference. Some people like to have more onion in their Shirazi. Some people like to have less. We kind of like to have less. I don't want to have bad breath today. Just kidding. And
well, I mean, it has a lot of flavor, but you don't want too much because, like, especially if it's a very spicy onion, it can overpower the salad.
Yeah. You guys want a few Persian words of the day? The Persian word for onion is piyaz, the Persian word for cucumber is khiyar, and the Persian word for tomato is goja farangi.
Goja farangi.
Yeah.
Piyaz.
Piyaz.
Khiyar. Goja farangi. Goja farangi is a very fun word. I think most people see it. Now we're going to get onto the dressing for our salad Shirazi.
First things first, grab 2 limes. Add some salt. Some ground black pepper. And some garlic powder. You mostly want to eye these spices because it's up to you how much salt you want in there. Just taste it along the way and add more. And now we're going to go in with a couple of spoons of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. The good stuff. Make sure you use the good stuff. There you go, guys. Here's our salad Shirazi recipe. And for a nice added touch, you can add some chopped up fresh parsley or mint. That just adds a nice special touch in the ending. This is it. Delicious. So just for comparison, this is for about 6 people to have on the side of their vegan kabob. Go ahead and check that recipe out. They go perfectly together. You cannot have kabob without salad Shirazi. You have to have them together. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.